Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to Ola Trending Mzansi. If you are new here, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. And I hope you will stay. You, Batari Bomkosi, one thing about Meda Bongza and DJ Zintle, they will do their level best for their family. Recently, Metabongza has been trending Batarabamkosi and it was not looking good. So he was on stage performing and dancing with girls. And yes, Sana, Mzansi always have something to say. Remember, they're still holding on to the saga that trended a few months back that allegedly Metabongza was accused of cheating, but there was never proof whatsoever to support those allegations. And him and DJ Zinhle continued with their marriage regardless of whatever that was said between them. And soon after those allegations, he bought a house for his mother and father. Well, Bathroom Nkosi, with the ongoing allegations again of him dancing on stage for girls and people saying that he is disrespecting DJ Zinhle, Meda Bongza just shared that he bought a brand new car for his father. Bathandi Bomkosi, this is indeed beautiful to see. Oh, Bongani, I can't believe I am tearing. Blessing upon life. You will be blessed. What a good example you are, Budi. What I love about life, you always reap what you sow. God bless you, Bongani, and bless your children. I also spotted my favorite big sister. I love her heart. She is always showing up. Beautiful things we like to see, taking care of people, parents who raised us. Last time when he was caught cheating, he bought his family a house. Now there is a video of him dancing for girls. He buys his father a car. He has mastered the game. But Batarbumkosi, regardless of whatever, this is indeed beautiful to see. I mean, DJ Zinhle and Meda Bongza, these are one of the couples that are always criticized on social media platforms, more especially Bongani. They think or they view him allegedly as a wingman because of how he supports DJ Zinhle regardless of whatever that is happening. So, with him doing such big things for his family, it does shows that he cares for them and he is indeed making a good investment with his money. I mean, we all have to support our families, more especially the people who raised us. Please do leave your comments down below. What do you think about this trending issue? Is Bungane, whenever he's trending, buying things for his family, or it was just a coincidence? Thank you for watching. Catch you on my next one. Bye.